Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Telegram and confirming the account tied to your phone number. Once done, tap Settings, then Privacy and Security, because that centralizes controls you will change now. Make a quick export of chats if you want a copy, using Settings right arrow Advanced right arrow Export. This preserves data before changes. You're acting deliberately. Know what will become visible. Keep notifications on for confirmations, and prepare to toggle specific items in the next phase. Now you modify each privacy toggle to reduce protections. Set last seen and online to everyone, because that makes presence visible across chats. Then change phone number visibility to everyone and enable people nearby, which reveals your account to local searches. Next, allow your profile photo and forwarded messages to be visible. This makes identification easier. As you proceed, confirm each change with the checkmarks Telegram shows, and make sure session devices reflect. Finish by creating a public username so your Me link becomes discoverable. Share it where needed. Once done, audit active sessions under devices and remove any unknown logins to avoid surprises. If visibility changes don't appear, clear the app cache and make sure to log out and back in to force a refresh. As a troubleshooting tip, if contacts still can't see changes, wait a few minutes for server sync or toggle one setting off and on to prompt an update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.